Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to do the review of this red color mAh power bank which is of 10,000 mAh capacity. So without further ado, let's get started. On the back side of the box, it says that 10,000 mAh power bank 2i, which means this power bank is of 10,000 mAh battery capacity, and I have ordered the red color edition. The same power bank is available in black color also. If you want this red color power bank, you need to pay 100 rupees more than the black color power bank. Towards the right side of the box, it says that you can charge your Redmi Note 5 up to 1.5 times, and you can charge your iPhone 7 up to 3.5 times, and you can charge your iPad mini 4 up to 1.3 times. Even though they have mentioned on the box that this power bank is having a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, but you are not going to get the full 10,000 mAh battery capacity because of the power loss inside the DC to DC converter. As a result, you will get around 7,000 to 7,500 mAh of battery capacity. Towards the left side of the box, it says that this power bank supports two-way quick charging, which means that if you have a quick charger, you can quick charge this power bank, or else if you have a smartphone which supports quick charging, using this power bank you can quick charge your smartphone as well. So talking about the battery type, they have used lithium polymer battery inside this power bank, and the body of this power bank is made up of aluminium. And finally, towards the front side of the box, we can see this Made in India logo. Inside the box, we have got this power bank, a USB charging cable. This is not only the USB charging cable but also a fully functional USB cable, and also we have got this user manual. I would like to say that the finishing and the build quality of this power bank is excellent, and the red color which they have used on this power bank looks fantastic. Talking about the physical overview of this power bank, towards the front we have got this MI branding, and towards the top we have got these two different USB ports for charging your two different devices at the same time. We have got this micro USB port for charging this power bank, and also we have got these four charge indicators which will denote the amount of charge present in this power bank. In this power bank, they have not provided any on and off switch. If you want to charge your device, connect your device through USB cable to this power bank and your device will start charging automatically. Talking of this particular button on this power bank, if you press this particular button once, it will show you the amount of charge still left in this power bank. If you press the same button twice, this power bank will enter into low current discharge mode. As you can see here, this power bank has now entered into low current discharge mode. Now you can charge your low power devices such as MI band and your Bluetooth headphones. And suppose if you need to exit this low current discharge mode, all you need to do is press this same button once again and your power bank will exit this low current discharge mode. And another thing about this power bank is it has got 9 layers of world class circuit chip protection inside them, which makes this power bank more safer. As they are using lithium polymer batteries inside this power bank, the power bank is very slim and lightweight. So finally, talking about the price, this red color power bank is available for 899 rupees. If you want to purchase the black version of this power bank, the black version of this power bank is available at 799 rupees. So that's it guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next video.